All right. Welcome back, everyone. So today we're going to do something a little different. Think of it like a bounty hunt. We're putting on our detective hats because we've got a target, the tricky Arabic letter tha. You ready? Let's dive in. Okay, but before we get our hands dirty, let me ask you something. And just be honest. Have you ever been staring down at a taco, one with just two toppings, and thought to yourself, man, this is good, but it could be great. It just needs one more thing. Well, if you have, believe it or not, you're already halfway to cracking the code on today's letter. So check this out. Over on the left, we've got the letter ta. See that little boat shape with two dots on top? That's our standard two-topping taco. It gives you a nice, simple T sound. But our target, the letter on the right, that's tha. It's the exact same boat shape, but it's got three dots. That's our upgraded deluxe three-topping taco. And that extra dot, that extra topping, it completely changes the flavor, or, the sound. It goes from T to that soft th sound, like in the word three. All right, let's get a closer look at this three-topping taco. We gotta understand our target's delicious disguise. Okay, so here's the official definition. The letter is tha, and the rule is super simple. When you see that boat shape with that perfect little triangle of three dots on top, you're looking at tha. And what sound does it make? It's that soft TH you use all the time, like in three or thanks or thumb. That's the sound. That's what we're after. All right, time to know your target. We need to know how Fa appears out there in the wild because, well, it's a master of disguise. So here's the deal. Ta is a bit of a chameleon. Its shape changes depending on its friends. See, at the start of a word, it kind of opens up and connects to the letter on its left. But if it's stuck in the middle, it connects on both sides, like it's holding hands in a long chain. And then, at the very end of a word, it finally relaxes, connects to the letter before it, and goes back to its full original boat shape. Yeah, you can really think of thought as a super social character. It just loves to hold hands with the letters around it. But here's the absolute key, the most important part of this whole briefing. No matter how much its body shape changes, whether it's at the beginning, middle, or end, those three dots, they never, ever change. That's its tell. That's its signature. Okay, the bounty hunt begins. Briefing's over. We know our target. We know its disguises. Let's go find this suspect. And here it is. This is our search grid. Our target, tha, is hiding somewhere in this text. Don't worry about reading it. Don't worry about what it means. Your one and only job right now is to be a pattern spotter. Use those skills we just talked about. All right, let's start patrolling that first line together. Just let your eyes scan across. We're not reading, we're just hunting. We're looking for that boat shape, and even more importantly, that little triangle of three dots. You see anything? Anything at all? Aha, there it is. Gotcha. Look at that, right at the start of a word. See how it's connecting to the left? And right on top, bam, are three signature dots. That is a confirmed sighting, people. That's the in its initial form. Perfect find. Okay, let's keep scanning. Keep those eyes peeled. Wait, hold on a minute. What's this over here? This character has three dots, for sure, but the shape, it's not our boat shape, is it? It looks different. Is this our target in some deep cover disguise? Let's bring this guy in for questioning. And after a quick interrogation, nope, not our guy. This is a classic case of mistaken identity. It's got the right number of dots, but the underlying shape is totally wrong. This is a different letter called sheen. So, you're free to go, pal. And this is a really important lesson for us bounty hunters. The dots and the shape have to match. It's got to be both. All right, back to the hunt. Let's keep looking, and there. Busted. Again. Check it out. This one is squeezed right into the middle of a word. See how it's holding hands, connected on both sides? That's exactly what we talked about. This is tha in its social medial form. That's two confirmed captures. I'd say this hunt is a success. All right, team, let's call it. The case is closed. For today, let's head back to the briefing room and review the evidence. So, what was the final tally? In that little block of text, we found our target, Than, a whopping 3 times. And, just as important, we spotted an imposter and knew why it was the wrong guy. That is an awesome result for our first time out. So let's just nail this down. What are the key identifiers? Just remember this. Number 1, look for that basic boat shape. Number 2, you gotta confirm the 3 dots on top, the 3 taco toppings. And number 3, remember, it's a social butterfly. It loves to connect to other letters. And now,
It's your turn. The mission is officially yours. You've got the tools, you've got the training, so I want you to go back to that text, pause it right there, and keep hunting. Or, hey, grab any piece of Arabic text you can find. How many more of our Thay suspects can you find hiding in plain sight? Go get 'em. Happy hunting.